Well, good evening, and we are tracking tonight. We've actually seen showers and thunderstorms that have been pretty dramatic here across northern portions of Missouri. There was severe weather earlier. Now this has transitioned in more of a flash flood scenario. Most of these storms have been moving more east than they have been to the south, but there will be a little bit of a drift here towards the south as we head through the next few hours. Now, the storms are still up north of Quincy at this point. They have a ways to go. They are tossing down some high, thin clouds. And our part of the area that was in the tornado watch has been canceled. Still up across northern Missouri until 11 o'clock. Although, to be honest, this seems to be more of a flash flood scenario now playing out than tornado situation. Still another watch box back there in Kansas, but those storms already starting to drop southeastbound, and they should stay out to our west and not be a problem for us. Outflow from the storms to the north may give some of our northern counties a scattered shower or rumble of thunder as we head towards midnight and into the after hours of midnight, the early morning wee hours. We don't see any severe weather threat at this point to the north. It does appear as though this is just going to kind of die out as we head towards daybreak. Now, it does help put down some boundaries, and eventually by tomorrow, we'll start to see the clouds that are rolling in tonight clear out. And so we're heating up again tomorrow. If we even get down into the mid-70s in some spots, we'll be doing pretty well for the overnight hours. So the heat's not done with us just yet. We're thinking mid-70s for lows. We think once again we're in the low to mid-90s for highs tomorrow. We're ahead of a cold front. Moisture's pooling ahead of that front, so we expect dew points to be in the low to mid-70s and such that your heat index value should be around 105, 106 degrees in the immediate metro area. In a couple of spots, maybe even a little more than that. So Thursday is going to be a hot afternoon. It will be our third day where the heat index is above 100 for most spots. So that's one of the reasons why we continue our weather impact alert. The other, of course, will be for the potential of some stronger thunderstorms Thursday evening, and we'll time that out in just a second. So let's talk heat. All right, it's a cumulative effect on our body. So we've had 2 hot days. As we go into your Thursday, that's number 3, make sure you're drinking enough. When it's hot, you've got to drink a lot. Take those breaks, use that air conditioning, but the bottom line is you really do have to intake a lot more water than you even think possible. All right, so as of this moment, when we are taping this for you tonight, we're in a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather in St. Louis with a level 3 area to our north. This may get refined a little bit. We still think areas north of St. Louis as we go into Thursday evening are the areas that have the best shot at seeing the strong to severe thunderstorms. Those storms will tend to weaken with time, especially if they get delayed by any amount of time tomorrow going into the evening, because we've lost our peak heating, which happens between 3 and 5 o'clock when we will be around that 93, 94, 95 degree mark, and the heat index values in the triple digits. Now, it will be a gusty breeze. Southwest, 10 to 15, some gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour. So we think we have the gusty winds around for tomorrow. The day is dry. We should be quiet, partly to mostly sunny skies. And then in the evening, we'll be tracking showers and thunderstorms coming in from the west. Some of these, especially north and northwest of St. Louis, will likely be strong to severe. How long can they hold on and maintain that intensity? Good question. Right now, we think as this line comes through St. Louis between, say, 8:30 and 10:30 or so Thursday night, there still could be a few strong thunderstorms along that front. And potentially, we even pop up a few more down to the south and southeast of St. Louis as we head towards midnight into the overnight hours, depending on how this all interacts with the lower level jet stream. So we have a lot of ingredients that appear to be there. We're just not sure how they're all going to mesh together. Bottom line is, once that front goes through, we drop our temperatures back so that by early Friday morning, we are down into the upper 60s and the humidity levels drop, go down. It's going to be nice Friday. Live Radar 24/7, always streaming on this app. That is the QR code that will take you there so you can check the radar any time of day or night. We always keep that thing running. Weather impact alert through Thursday evening after those storms are gone. The threat for any Rough weather is gone. It's comfortable on Friday, low to mid 80s on Saturday, maybe upper 80s. Clouds are rolling back in. Saturday afternoon, I think we're going to start seeing showers and some thunderstorms break out across the area. Saturday night is our prime time for that during the overnight hours, and then Sunday morning it tends to push on out just a bit. But Monday and Tuesday are incredibly comfortable days. Don't think there's much rain around Monday into Tuesday, and the humidity levels are still low. 50s for lows early on Tuesday morning. I mean, you know, that's running about 20 degrees cooler than where we were this morning, where we'll be tomorrow morning. We have a lot of sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday before we bring back rain chances again for next weekend. All right, let's talk this weekend. Your chance for showers and thunderstorms Saturday, especially west and southwest of St. Louis, and especially during the afternoon. Now, this whole system will be sliding through here as we go into Saturday night and Sunday. So it looks like it's more of a morning opportunity on Sunday. But then Sunday night into early Monday, there's also the potential we might actually still squeeze out a couple of showers as well. CoolDownStLouis.org. They are helping our seniors stay safe when it gets hot like this. And you can make an easy online donation and help our seniors stay safe as they help get the air conditioners out and help with the utility bills. Alrighty, here's a look at your next 10 days. We got the heat Thursday, and then by the end of next week, it's back to seasonably hot conditions in the mid to upper 80s. But there is a break coming our way, a badly needed break after 3 days of this heat. By Friday morning, it's much more comfortable.